Oh, you're too big. That's good. Little lady's got the camera now, so I don't know what she's pointing at. But yeah, a little bit more aggressive hook than the ones I had on her. And if little lady looks out there at the water, you will see I might be catching some people in kayaks.
They're kayaking. I'm recording over there.
Mister, this is a boat launch. It's not a fishing spot. Okay. Just look at where you're pointing at, little lady.
Yes, it is.
Now you see, here. You'll see the bobber's already sunk. Something's got it. Here, can you record over there, little lady? Something already has it. I already have a fish. Somewhere, and it's heavy. It's kind of heavy. Let's see if I can fight this animal. Or am I just going to lose my whole rig? The bobber and everything is underwater. I see it. I can see the bobber.
Hold up, slowly.
It's going to break the line.
What do you see?
Someone brought it down.
Okay. Bring it down little by little.
Like probably a turtle. Yep, just let loose, whatever it is. What?
Right there. It's right there.
That little, this little fish? Are you serious? I had all this fight just for that. No, he got up underneath something. That's what happened. Yeah, how many of these have I caught, little lady?
About 8.
It wouldn't be so bad if I just kept my line. Yeah, that one went right in his gut. I'm a sailor. I'm not a fisherman. So after visiting Lake Nipissing and catching tiny fish, we came across this place. I know it's just like putt-putt golf and driving range and stuff like that, but it looks very cool. Little lady said, get some video of it. And when the little lady says, get some video of it, I do. And there she is.